Ensure pressure impression is installed and updated to the latest version. Select the required case for use. Click on the pressure impression icon. Select an arch data. The software automatically recognizes natural teeth and denture-bearing areas. The final pressure values will be automatically calculated and generated. Click Mark Fixed Region to adjust the natural teeth and non-pressure deformation regions. Hold down the mouse middle button to rotate model data. Click Designate Soft Tissue Indentation to adjust the bearing area. You can manually adjust the deformation values, or directly use the default recommended values. You can set the deformation value for free end and non-free end separately. Click Deviation Analysis to generate the final result. Click Finish to save the result to the case. You can check or export the files.